Hi there everyone, and cheers for checking out Andy Robinson RC. And on today's channel we have got the running video of the Traxxas Sledgehammer that we featured a few videos back, and I've given it a bit of a, I say light restoration, but basically just making it a nice usable runner again. And we thought we'd get it out and give it a bit of a run for you. Also, I've got my little jump from my RC car club that we don't use because it's too big for in the hall with the fast buggies. So I thought we'd get the ramp out with the truck and give it do a few jumps with it. Right, so since you last saw this truck, what have we done to it? Well, my wife very kindly trimmed up the body shell because it had not been trimmed out properly, so all the excess plastic from the front under the bumper has gone. Also from behind, we've put the chrome bumper back on the correct way, and also I managed to get the sticker off and reapply it with some heat so it reads the right way around. So that's all good, so we've done that. What else? Went over the Traxxas silver writing that the previous owner did, repicked it out and tidied it up, so we've done that, so I think that looks a wee bit better now. And then apart from that, all I've done, because it had no ESC, was I put in a Hobbywing 1060 quick run speedo in there just to make it run. I've put my own receiver in. It's got its standard Traxxas servo in still. Other than that, it's as I bought it, and I wanted to keep it as original as possible. Now, I did bench test it before bringing it out to film, and took it outside up the road from outside my house, and the spur gear cover that you can see there, it's got a pin going through the shaft that the spur gear sits on. That shot off completely, and I had to take it all in and do a quick repair because the shaft had unthreaded itself off the screw that it sits on in the gearbox. So got a pair of pliers, pulled the shaft out, put some Loctite on, managed to screw it all back up, and it's been fine since. So, which is good because I really didn't want to have to strip the whole gearbox down to repair it. But yeah, it's all good, and I think it's a smart looking truck. So as I say, we're going to put this down now, give it a few more jumps and a quick blast around. Now I say it is on the original 540 motor. I didn't want to put a hotter motor in a minute, just more for the fact I didn't want to blow up the gearbox again or anything like that. Maybe we'll put one on, better motor in later on. But anyway, let's give it a bit of a run and see what happens. Again, it's a bit of a windy day, unfortunately, so we'll hope you can hear me okay. Anyway, put this down. It drives nicely, it's got a nice tight turning circle. It's quite good for a monster truck. Now it's not, it's got a very slow servo, it's what you get with a kid, so it's nothing amazing. It does want to kick up the back end a bit. Now it probably needs either some stiffer springs on the front, or maybe it needs to soften the rear end as well, so it's giving it a bit more grip. But anyway, let's give it a few jumps. I'm going to move over here so I can see what I'm doing. Definitely needs a bit of a quicker motor in, especially on this grass. Maybe the battery's not the best either. Actually, this is the second time I filmed this video today, and it's jumping much better now. Mastered it. On a bit of gravel here just to manufacturer's probably showing it now. Wait, bumble. Well, there you go, that is it running. So it probably needs a better battery in this, so it's not the best. But yes, I mean, you get the idea of what it runs like. Maybe we will, as I said, put a bigger motor in it, get a bit more speed out of it, and come back out with that again at some point. But there it is. I mean, I just said I didn't want to push it too hard, just in case anything, you know, went on it. But yeah, so that is our the Traxxas Sledgehammer. Nice sort of late 80s to early 90s monster truck from Traxxas. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Cheers for checking it out, much appreciated as always. Again, if you want to see some more RC content from us, please consider checking out Andy Robinson RC on YouTube. Hit the like button and notification bell and consider subscribing. Also check us out on Instagram and Facebook as well under Andy Robinson RC. Right, okay, before I forget as well, I've just acquired a Clodbuster and we're going to get that running in a video very soon as well. It's an original Chevy bow tie first edition Clodbuster, which is cool. Anyway, that'll be coming soon. Right, I'm going to leave it here for now. Cheers again for joining us. Look after yourselves and take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.